download the fact sheet and see all the special considerations. As I mentioned, extension NRCS, they say are the people that will help you make these annual special considerations. Eventually, maybe an input supplier may get one of their agronomists approved to be on the list as well, but so far that's what they're saying. All right, no questions, I'll keep going. Talk about high-risk coverage endorsement. This was new a year ago, but I still want to cover it this year because I think it was a major improvement. Not so much for you guys, because I don't know that you have a whole lot of high-risk ground here. You may have some. But even if you don't have high-risk ground, I'd ask you to still pay attention, because every single year I get people at meetings like this, and I get phone calls, farmers telling me, I didn't have high risk last year, but this year they just reclassified it as high risk. High-risk ground just means it's riskier for them to insure, and your rates, it costs a lot more to protect that ground. This endorsement, to me, addresses one of the biggest problems I've ever personally had with crop insurance. Let me tell you why that was. Previous rules, before this change a year ago, said that if I wanted to insure 1 acre of corn in Livingston County, I had to insure every corn acre the same in that county. Now, if you're going to see stats here in a minute, easily the #1 choice in Illinois last year amongst Illinois farmers was 85% RP. That was your #1 choice. So if you want 85% RP on your regular ground, and that meant you had to take 85% on your high-risk ground, and your rates just doubled or tripled, you couldn't afford it. So what were your choices in that case before? You could skip coverage completely on your high-risk ground, or take CAT, which is 50% coverage. You have to lose half a crop before it even kicks in. If it does kick in, you only get 65% of the price. Those are your only two choices.